Hello student, welcome to our civics class. From last video we starting the lesson number 2, preamble to the constitution. In last video we completed points justice, social justice, economic justice, political justice and liberty. Now let us our third point is equality. What is meant by equality? The preamble guaranteed the Indian citizen an equality of status and opportunity. Opportunity means chance. The preamble guarantees the Indian citizens an equality of status and opportunity. It means that all have equal human status and there will be no discrimination based on caste, creed, race, sex, place of birth, etc. There is no difference between these points: caste, creed, race, sex, place of birth, etc. Discrimination means difference. The guarantee of equal status means not discriminate between the people in terms of high, low, superior, inferior. All is same. Not anyone high, anyone low, or anyone superior or anyone inferior. All is same. All Indian citizens are same. The preamble has given great importance to equality, opportunity as well. As all will get the opportunities for development without any discrimination. Discuss some statement regarding freedom have been given below for discussion. Express your views while publicly celebrating our festival. We need to follow some rules that does not restrict our freedom. In our areas, in our colony, we celebrating some festival. There are some rules. This is not restriction. Freedom means behave in a responsible way, not as per our whims and fancies. The preamble to our constitution refers to unique idea, ideal or principle. It is the goal of promoting fraternity among the citizens and assure the dignity of individual. Next point is fraternity. The makers of the constitution believed that merely guaranteeing justice, freedom and equality would not lead to establish equality in the Indian society. No amount of laws would help us achieve these goals if fraternity is lacking among Indians. Fraternity is lacking, lack means decrease among Indians. Hence, the promotion of fraternity has been included in the preamble as a goal. Fraternity implies we feeling. Fraternity implies we feeling towards one another. It creates a feeling of empathy. People become more understanding towards each other's problems and needs. In the point fraternity, the makers of the constitution believed that merely guaranteeing justice, freedom and equality. In fraternity, justice, freedom and equality would not lead to establish equality in Indian society. No amount of laws would help us achieve these goals if fraternity is lacking among Indians. Hence, the promotion of fraternity has been included in the preamble as a goal. Goal means aim. Fraternity implies we feeling, not I. Fraternity implies we feeling towards one another. It creates feeling of empathy. People become more understanding towards each other's problem and needs. Fraternity is closely related to human dignity. Human dignity implies equal respect to each individual, same respect to each other as a human being. It does not depend upon the criteria of caste, creed, race, sex, language, etc. Respect to each other, same level. Just as we would like to be treated with dignity and respect by others, we should also treat others with the same dignity and respect. When every individual respects another and honors their freedom and rights, dignity of the individuals will get established. In such atmosphere, fraternity will grow automatically. In this way, fraternity, love to each other, will grow automatically. The task of bringing about the new society based on the values of justice and equality will be facilitated. The preamble to the Constitution of India guides us to this very goal. The preamble ends with mention of the fact that the people of India have given constitution of themselves. Here, last point is the preamble ends with the mention of the fact that people of India have given the constitution to themselves. The constitution to themselves. In here complete our second lesson, preamble to the constitution.